Hi, my name is Dory Johnson. I'm the owner and photographer for OLAC Photography. What makes me different is I've got a lot of formal training as a photojournalist and a portrait photographer in studio and on location. A lot of clients come to me again and again to capture the important moments in their life. I photograph all ends of the spectrum, from business photographs and promotional shots to boudoir. When people come to me for a business headshot, I give them an image that they find that they're so excited about that it crosses over media lines. It's not just for LinkedIn. Your business shoot will transcend the typical business photo. You'll be able to use it for many things. I also go on location and do events. It might be a corporate event, it might be a wedding, it might be a bar mitzvah, it might be a family gathering. My background is in photojournalism. The difference is in taking or making a photograph. I can do either depending on what you need for the particular situation, delivering fabulous images in the style that you'd like them for that event. One of my favorite things to photograph is couples sharing their connection. I find that after I photograph them, it reignites their passion, and they're so excited to see the artistic images that we created that day. I really love photographing women, boudoir, maternity, weddings. I love this because women are so beautiful and sensual, and I love capturing these qualities. Because I don't place rules on my photography, what you're able to get is limitless. Your photo session is going to be fun. Next time you need a professional photographer, call me, email me. Let's work together soon.